Today, we're diving into the Supermicro Motherboard MBD-X10SAE-B, a powerhouse ATX board designed to elevate your PC build to new heights. With its LGA 1150 socket and Intel C226 Express chipset, this motherboard offers compatibility with a range of processors, from Intel Celeron to Xeon, ensuring you can tailor your system to your needs. Memory-wise, the MBD-X10SAE-B doesn't disappoint. Boasting 4 DDR3-1600 DIMM slots with support for both ECC and non-ECC memory modules, with a maximum capacity of 32 GB. Whether you're a multitasking pro or a hardcore gamer, this board has you covered. When it comes to expansion, this board truly shines. Featuring 2 PCI Express 3.0x16 slots, one running at X8, and 3 PCI Express 2.0x4 slots, along with 2 legacy PCI slots, you have plenty of room to add high-performance graphics cards, sound cards, or any other expansion cards you desire. Storage capabilities are equally impressive, with 8 SATA 3 ports on board, 6 of which support RAID 0, 1, 5, and 10 via the PCH, while the remaining 2 support RAID 0 and 1 via the ASM1061 controller. Whether you're a data hoarder or a speed demon, this motherboard can accommodate your storage needs. Networking is top-notch with dual Intel Gigabit Ethernet controllers, i217LM and i210AT, ensuring stable and high-speed connections for all your networking needs. In terms of form factor, the ATX design of the MBD-X10SAE-B fits snugly into standard PC cases. Measuring 12.0 by 9.6 inches, providing ample space for installation and airflow management. Overall, the Supermicro Motherboard MBD-X10SAE-B is a standout choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance PC. With its robust feature set, compatibility with a wide range of processors, expandability options, and reliable networking capabilities, it's hard to find a better motherboard for your next build. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.